Hello everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Earth Day is a great opportunity for sales. But how do you maximize your profits? Let's check that maximizing your profit this Earth Day. Earth Day sales actually brings a surge in shoppers, which is fantastic for business. However, unlimited discounts can quickly drain your profits if not managed carefully. Let's look at the problem that many merchants face. Large cards combined with percentage discount often lead to significant losses. So it's essential for merchants to have a better control over their discounting strategies. So as a solution, we can have a cap discount strategy for here. For instance, offer 40% off but capped at $200. Now let's explore the powerful benefits of using cap discount. Cap discounts allow you to control the exact amount of discount applied, especially on large orders. This strategy helps you protect your profit margins and ensure your store remains profitable. Ultimately, cap discounts contribute to sustainable growth for your business. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. So, before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips because more seasonal tips are on the way. So for setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Net's discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box so you can check it out and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on create new discount. Now you can choose the discount code as the discount type and add for any discount code. Let's add a 40% off now. I'm giving a percentage or discount of 40 with a cap amount of $200. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. Even though the cart value, the 40% of our cart value is more than 200, this cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will limited to only 200 only. And you can also set this discount be applied to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. Let's add it for all the products now. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not preferring any minimum purchase requirement now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customers like that. And you can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Let's say 100 here means this discount or this offer will be available for 100 first users. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. So in case of this active date, so you can set some start date or a start time, end date or an end time here. Like if you need to run the offer date or a 10 days or a 1 week or a month, then those timings you can set it over here. And you can also combine this discount with the existing ones like product discount, order discount or a shipping discount. So after adding all this, you can save the changes. Now let's check whether the discount has been activated successfully. Now you can see that the code 40% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product of worth 234. Now let's try our code here by applying. Now you can see that the 234, the 40% of 234 is 93, which is applied successfully here. And now let's test with some other products having higher price value. I'm adding a product of worth 5,000 to the cart now and I'm applying the code. Now you can see that the 40% of the 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have set up some cap discount or cap amount in our setup, this capping discount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will limited to 200 only. So this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. And that's how you set up a cap discount $200 for a 40% offer in your Earth Day sale. So what you are waiting for? Just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also please do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.